Wally. Hi. What you do, guys? Be so you be nice. What you do? Get out of there. That's yucky. That's yucky. You guys are embarrassing.
Hey, Diesel.
You're so silly. Wally, we see your butt.
No ATM.
What do you want? Huh? What do you want? Oh, Piglet. Oh, Ginger. You don't chase kitties. Hi! You're such a ham. Oh, speaking of a ham. Okay, this is X-rated. No, this is X-rated.
Bite it.
No! Honey, make them stop.
No sausage for you,
You're being perverts. What you do, Wal? Wally, what you do? Wally! What you do, G, huh? You gonna go swimming? Huh? Go swimming, G. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, G. Go get the fishes. Go on, G. Diesel, quit licking the pig. Doesn't taste like bacon yet, dork. Get it, G. Go on, G. Get it. Oh, she's swimming. Look at her. She's chasing the lily pads. Oh, she's crazy. She's crazy, I think. Are you going? Are you going to go, Andy? Go on, Dee. Go on. Go get her, Dee. How about you, Mr. Pig? You gonna go? Huh? Oh, hi, G. Hi. What's you do, G? What's you do, G, huh? You coming? Ginger? What's you do? Smile for the camera. Smile. Good girl. Good girl. Oh. I think you got the lens wet. Piggy, is it your turn? Piggy got a stick. Piggy eating a stick. What she do, Dee? Huh? What she do, Dee? What she do? Ooh, dragonflies. Piggy's going in. Hey, Pig, can you swim? Come here, Wally. Oh, he's drinking. Wally butt. Wally. Wallace? Wally. Wally butt. Oh, is he going swimming again? Oh, is she going in the water? Oh, she's messing up all the lily pads. What'd she do? Come here. Wally butt, come here. Wally. Come here. Come on. Hi, baby. What'd she do? Huh? Oh, so sweet, little Wally. You're so sweet, huh? Yeah, you like it itches and scratches, huh? Oh, yeah, he likes it. Oh, yeah, he likes it. Yeah. Yeah, quit it. I give him a piggy love. I give him a piggy love. I give him a little piggy love. Piggy love. Don't lick the pig. Quit licking the pig. Diesel, don't lick the pig. You dork. Hi, Wally. Hi, Wally. You're so sweet, huh? You're so sweet. He's so sweet. Yeah, he likes the scratches. Oh, he likes it. He likes the scratches and stuff. Yeah, he likes it. It feels good. It feels good. Oh. buddy. Hi, piggy. You cannot roll over. Pretty soon you will be too big.